We have here the entryway to a building, an office, and a lot of places have hard surface coming into the entrance of a lobby or office and whatnot. So as you come in, you're getting a lot of contaminations that you're bringing in on the floor with you. So pollen, dust, dirt, oils from asphalt and concrete. And so as you are walking across with our everyday shoes, they're sticking to the bottom and bringing them in for, to reduce the indoor air quality. So what we're going to do is just show the examples of one of the many applications for a Hydroxi Pro concentrate. So what I have is just our green dilution, which is 1 ounce per gallon, and we will just apply, and just so you can see how the hydrogen peroxide reacts to all the contaminants that are within the concrete sitting on top, and you'll see the foaming action, and that way you know that it's reacting, it's attacking the organics, it's removing those contaminants that before you bring them inside the office. So I'll just apply it and you can see how well it works. So as this product sits, it will continue just to work on the organics that are present. You can start to see the white haze of the foam with the hydrogen peroxide reacting. So after a few minutes, those will be completely gone, and the oxidizing will go away, and that way you know that everything is clean. And what we'll do here is we'll finish the rest of this little porch area and show you the before and after.